What's up, guys? It's Ren from Tacoma Vibe and Pat from TRD Black Pearl on Instagram. We're going to be doing some wheeling today in Connecticut. We're not going to tell you the location, but we're going to go and take these beasts out. We got my truck here, the Tacoma Vibe build, and we got Pat's TRD Black Pearl. The thing is a monster, so we're going to go have some fun today. Check it out. So we're gonna find a spot to air it down. We just exchanged walkie-talkies, so we should be good to stay in comms. I think we're ready to get going. The Black Tacoma's on the trail. Let's go. All right, so we're out on the trail now. I think I'm aired down to about 20 PSI. Pat didn't air it down. It's a lot snowier than we anticipated. I don't know if you guys can see. Taking it slow so far, but pretty rad. So I've never actually gone snow wheeling, but from what I've gathered, if you can air down. Pat's a bit of a madman, and he didn't, and that's cool. Different strokes for different folks, but I decided to air down. We'll see how that takes me. I think he's in low 4 right now. I'm in high 4. We're gonna see how this goes. I think it's a lot of interesting obstacles coming up, and hopefully I'll try and catch some of that as we go along. So here's the thing. Trail therapy is a real thing, and I think a lot more men would have an easier time if they took 10-15 minutes to head outside and trail with their friend and forget about the world. So whether you're in Connecticut, whether you're in California, take some time to yourself with your boys and go hit some trails. A little stop, you can see the truck back there, kind of eyeing out the trail. I think Pat's clearing some stuff out. If you're on trails, if you can clear out sticks and stuff or debris off the trail. Pat's truck, I think, has been in first gear, you said?
Yeah, just first gear.
Just first gear, heating the trails up. These Tacomas, you'd be amazed at what they can do. You don't need all the gear, just get out, hit the trails with some buddies. Trail therapy, it's real. Pat's been crushing it at trail lead. Always follow a good and safe distance behind the trail lead, especially in conditions like this. If you slip, well, you'll rear end your buddy, and not in the fun way. Videos never really do these justice, but we were just checking our altimeters and like you can't really see this, but look at how like off camber this section is, and we're about to go through a worse section. If you look at where Pat is, the camera's not really focusing. It's focusing on me, but look at that angle. His truck's in front, and this is all in Connecticut. This is all in Connecticut, and I would love to share the location of this, but trash leaves trash, and so many people just destroy these trails. So unfortunately, Pat and I aren't gonna share the location, but a lot of cool spots, and you can really find some cool off-camber sections too that completely legal, completely fun, and totally worth the time. All right, so we made it to one of the coolest spots here. Got Pat over here with his truck. My truck's parked up here, and we're right by a river. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's absolutely beautiful. I know I'm shooting into the sun right now, but this is what it's all about, guys. And you don't need a lot of gear. I think, Pat, you could probably say better than I could, but like you don't need a really built out.
A whole lot.
Yeah.
No, my truck's pretty much stock. I don't need anything, just a good set of tires.
You were telling me Subaru's made it out here too,
Yep.
right?
Subarus come out here all the time.
Just pick a good line, have someone there with you, so if you do get stuck, they can help you get out. I think max tracks are like super important, toe straps, anything else.
That's really it.
Yeah.
Just some sort of recovery gear, shovel.
Yeah.
That's it.
Spend some time with your buddies, get outside, play in your trucks. Whoever has the lowest mile Toyota Tacoma is losing.
That's it.
Use your truck. I do have the lowest mile Tacoma right now. He's not wrong. I'm at 65K. You're at what, 115?
124,000.
Oh, fuck you. Where did you buy that though?
Where?
Where did you? How many miles did you buy that though?
60.
Okay. All right, I bought mine at 30, so, you know, you're beating by 10K miles, but that's fine. But anyway, we're gonna chill here for a little bit longer, probably hit some more trails. I'll try and get some more rollers, but I think, you know, what a lot of people don't see when you're making these YouTube videos, when you're filming content, kind of takes away from the experience of being on the trail, and that's most important, especially for us men who need the time to get out and just connect with nature, connect with ourselves, hang out with our buddies, talk some shit, and have a good time. So I'll try and get some more content before we head out of here, but no promises. Peace.